Welcome to JH. Here is how to resolve Binance login problems on Android. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Binance. If there is an update button, tap it to install the latest version. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache and data. Long press the Binance icon on your home screen and select the iInfo icon. Navigate to Storage. Then tap both Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove any corrupted files. Sometimes Binance restricts accounts for suspicious activity, so you might need to wait a few hours before another attempt. Switching your internet connection can also bypass network errors. If you are on Wi-Fi, try mobile data, or switch to Wi-Fi if you are currently using data. Using a VPN might help if your IP address is the problem. Download any VPN from the Play Store, connect to a server, and try logging in again. If you think your credentials are wrong, reset your password. Open the app, tap Forgot Password, and follow the steps provided. Finally, if your account is linked to Google, use the Sign In with Google option on the login screen and follow the prompts to access your account.